Growth is never by mere chance, but is the result of forces working together. This is true for one of the oldest sweets company in Fiji, Bikabai, which has been operating for 90 years. In today's Successful Fijian, we caught up with one of Bikabai's Executive Director, Viraj Kantilal, sharing the story of the success of their family-owned business. Koroi Tandalala with the story.
The family-owned business was established in early 1930s when Viraj Kantilal's great-grandfather arrived in the country.
He came from India in Gujarat. He came in the late 1920s, early 1930s, and he started off with sweets making business in Ba. Then joined my grandparents who were newly married from India, and over a period of time they understood what the indentured laborers who stayed back, what they really wanted. And what we create is their own Fiji taste.
The sacrifices of the family's first generation that arrived in Fiji laid a strong foundation for the sweets business to continue to thrive in the 21st century.
Well, it goes without saying, there's a lot of hard work and sacrifices by our ancestors. There's a lot of Fijians who are living outside of Fiji. They want our products, and we want to make it easily accessible to them.
Kantilal says the success of the business is also owed to the quality of the raw materials they use in making their sweets.
Our method of manufacturing our sweets has not changed in the last 4 generations. It's actually using the raw material that are of high quality. There's still some products that are made by hand. The ingredients are still the same. The methodology is just the same.
The impact of the COVID-19 pandemic that is grappling the nation has also affected the company's revenue.
Because there's no traveling happening, we've been seriously affected as well. Our revenue has declined and we did experience loss. And we know we're not the only ones. It's a worldwide phenomenon.
The 4th generation executive director says passion is the key factor that enables them to continue their family legacy.
There's 2 things. One, we're passionate as a family-owned business. The sacrifices and the hard work that our ancestors has put in. When we see our products being part of gatherings, festivities, that brings joy. So we are part of our customers' happiness as well.
The sweets company is currently run by 4 executive directors, 2 of whom are 3rd generation family members, with the other 2 being of the 4th generation. Koroi Tandalala, FBC News.